We'll be performing a microchanneling facial today, so let's get started. Begin your facial with the cleansing step. This ensures you remove any impurities like dirt, oil, sweat, or makeup. You'll want a clean canvas for the following products to be properly absorbed. You may double cleanse if you need to. Next, grab your tool and apply the needle cartridge. At this time, apply a topical numbing cream. This ensures minimal pain during the entire process. You may now commence the microchanneling process. Gently stamp the pen onto the skin in an up and down motion. With each stamp, we're creating tiny microchannels within the skin. You may want to divide the face into smaller sections, ensuring that you have even spacing. You'll want to create a seamless grade of microchanneling for optimal results. As you're working throughout the entire face, you want to have serums on standby. Apply your favorite growth factor serum, hyaluronic acid, or any other humectant, as this service increases product absorption. With microchanneling, we're creating tiny controlled injuries. This activates the skin's natural wound healing process. In this process, fibroblasts are stimulated. Fibroblasts are specialized cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. This is what helps keep the skin firm and plump. As we begin to age, our skin will begin to concave as well as create a saggy appearance. Keeping up with microchanneling facials as well as home care will prevent this from happening. Once you've completed the microchanneling part of the facial, be sure to follow it up with soothing serums as well as barrier repair creams. To protect your client's skin as well as optimize their results, be sure to instill the significance of aftercare to your client. This includes keeping the skin clean by using a gentle, non-foaming cleanser for the first 48 hours. Clients should also avoid touching their face. This way, we prevent any bacterial infections from happening. During the first 24 to 48 hours, your client will want to avoid active skincare ingredients. This includes retinoids, vitamin C, AHAs, and BHAs. This will be your professional recommendation to avoid any irritation. You'll want to reschedule your client every 4 to 6 weeks to continue treatment. The amount of treatments depends on the severity of the skin. Thank your client for coming in, and we'll see you next time.